Okay, record is starting. Yeah, today I'm gonna show a small update from the Shipmate uh, software. What was implemented about the buoyancy computation is that we added some buoyancy, I don't know, flags or marks, yeah, which we can show and skip. And every mark is clickable, yeah, and we can uh, get information that COB means center of buoyancy and COM means center of mass. Center of mass is fixed for now, yeah, but in future it will be changed by moving some objects uh, in the inner hole, or maybe I don't know, maybe it will be changed after the filling the tanks, yeah. But for now, it's simple. It's simply implemented. Just as you can see, there is a box, yeah, which wrapped the tank, yeah, and all computation based on this box, yeah, for now. Okay, and if we click, we can see the detailed information. Here it's positioned in the centimeters, so it's 1 meter 13. It's not adjusted yet, yeah, and every tank has such kind of information. Yeah, buoyancy, drain chain locker, forward trim, water round, MBT1, and etc. And of course in inner hull, yeah, inner space, which also can be flooded. But now it's dry and has influence on the buoyancy because it's empty. Yeah. How buoyancy works? As you can see, um, there is the fixed axis, yeah, which doesn't change if we change the movement of the ship. Yeah, as we can see, we can dive, we can raise, we can turn, uh, pitching, yawing, and so on. And but the status scene is fixed, yeah, because we need to understand and if we have the certain position of view, this position shouldn't be changed during the movement, the ship on the main scene. So how, and these lines is sea level, yeah, it's just moved. Uh, okay, and if we dive, we can see that sea level is above, yeah, and if we raise, the sea level is, yeah, is below. Okay, and if we see on the this mark, for example, forward. And yeah, I didn't mention that small marks means the local buoyancy and center of mass, and bigger one represent the summarized, um, how to say, summarize buoyancy from all the compartment. Like this one represent the forward torpedo room, yeah, and each compartment will have the same representative buoyancy mark, and in general all these marks will be summed up and will influence on the real position in the water, like yaw in pitching and yeah, depth, yeah. And the last thing I wanna show is that if we change the, for example, if we dive, yeah, you can see that every marks are moving. Not every, only buoyancy. Buoyancy differentiate from the center of mass, which the buoyancy stick is forward to up, yeah, and center of mass points to stick points to down, yeah, like to the ground, yeah. It's and of course it will be showed here like submerged volume, total volume, and yeah, and if we, for example, take a look at this, and now I'm gonna dive. Yeah, it's also changed. For example, if we totally dive, submerged volume will equal to the total volume. Yeah, it's and the force which submerged volume will produce will be also determined by the newtons. Yeah, by multiplication on the sea density and yeah, so on. Yeah, if we're gonna raise, yeah, you can see that it's changed. It's not so accurate because now it's incremental, but incremental computation. But yeah, it's not accurate. But in it should be zero, I suppose, because submerged volume should be zero. But yeah, but because of not accuracy, yeah. So that's it.